Now on its fifth year, Tubô Cebu Art Fair will once again bring together over 500 regional artists and groups to showcase diverse art pieces from September 15 to 17 at the Ayala Center, Cebu. This year's theme is the word juxtapose, to invite attendees to explore contrasts, similarities, and the growth that emerges from their art reflections.
Our expectations, but we're very happy with where we are now. So in 2018 we started and we were looking through, the other day we were looking through our news clippings from back then. It was 25 booths and I don't know, probably like 100 or less than 100 artists.
When we say the impact of Tubô to the local art community, sure gyud ta nga naagid siya impact kay year after year our local Cebuano groups, artists, individuals look forward to Tubô. And we've always nag-istorya mi and mo siguro niya itong buhaton no nga mura og Christmas in September. We tell people that this is the time of the year to buy Cebuano art.
Among the key highlights of the three-day art fair are its signature collection, collaboration projects with esteemed cultural entities, panel discussions, and a book entitled Just a Lawyer Drawing Sports Icons by Attorney Jovi Neri. Attorney Neri has always been an artist at heart from the tender age of 7.
The people will hopefully support it, sports fans or art fans alike, and this is especially for the young ones because I have my drawing since I was 7 years old, so they can see the art development and they will never stop drawing.
Since its launch in 2018, Tubô Cebu Art Fair has grown remarkably in waving Visayan art to the larger national tapestry.
This will be the biggest Tubô ever, so we're very excited at the number of artists participating. We have over 500 artists and over 100 booths. We would like to invite everyone to come check out art. It's a very informal and not a very approachable art fair. We welcome those that are starting their art journeys. We welcome those that already love art and want to deepen their journey and interaction with art. If you want to learn more, if you want to engage and interact with artists, this is the fair to do it. I mean, we're so excited to see you there and present what our artists have prepared for you.
This has been Mary Francis Leen Kaayan for MyTV Cebu.